Hi, my name is Lou Brasher from Real Estate HQ, and today I am going to take you through a walkthrough of 11 Carnaby Way, Logan Reserve, situated here in Park Lane, brand new estate at Logan Reserve. Let me show you through. 11 Carnaby Way is a 4-bedroom plus study, 2-bathroom, remote control double lock-up garage, situated in a really lovely quiet pocket of Logan Reserve. So let me take you through inside. Now everything is brand new and will be completely cleaned. At the moment we are going through PCI, but for the purposes of this walkthrough I'm going to give you an idea of the perspective of a property that is worth taking a look at and renting and creating your new home. So situated at the front is a lovely study. So whether you are working from home, run a small business, or you just want that extra space, this is a lovely space and it is fully equipped with all your data points. Continuing down this really wide hallway, next on our left is your laundry. Now note, this laundry is separate. Now a lot of these home designs are situated in the garage or awkwardly placed, but this one is really well thought of. And as you can see, we do have double power points for the washing machine, as well as double power point a little bit higher in case you want to attach the dryer as well. Okay, linen cupboard situated behind the door, behind vinyl sliders, plenty of storage. Now what is really nice with this design is it goes straight out into your side yard. You have a lot of space on this property with the side yard. So where the clothesline is mounted, it is mounted on brickwork with exposed aggregate concreting below, making it easy and clean to get in and out of to dry your clothes. So coming back inside, along this hallway again, on our right is your internal entry to the garage. So you have your garage, it is double size, nice and spacious. There is extra storage at the back of the garage. Okay, and a door that opens out to the other side yard. Let's go back through the hallway again. Coming around here, there's another convenient GPO in the hallway. And then onto your left, again, extra linen storage for your towels and your service areas inside. Internal toilet. And then your main bathroom. Handheld shower rose, extraction fan. You have a window as well for extra ventilation, but situated away from your using your facilities, so it is still very private. Now, bedroom number 4 is the bedroom situated behind the kitchen and closest to the bathroom. All the bedrooms feature ceiling fans and built-in robes, as well as fly screens to the windows. There's also a broom cupboard. Let me take you through to the kitchen. It opens out. This is an open plan design. The kitchen is galley style. You have your fridge space, pantry cupboard, cooking facilities, and a lovely breakfast bar with under counter storage. This opens out to your main living area, serviced by a large reverse cycle split system air conditioner. Lovely tiled space, ceiling fans. And these wonderful double open sliders to your alfresco area. Now, a key bonus with this particular space is the fact that you do have extra storage. Okay, so this is going to provide for your main living storage facilities. I'm going to take you into bedroom number 3. Right, so this is the next bedroom over, and it is the closest to the kitchen. Again, fitted with ceiling fans and built-in robes. Bedroom number 2 is right next door, identical to bedroom number 2. Okay, the bonus of these 2 bedrooms is it's directly in front of the air conditioner. So you're never going to have any concerns about heating or cooling those 2 particular bedrooms. Now, bedroom number 1 is situated to the rear of the property. It's lovely and spacious in size. As we walk through, fitted with ceiling fans. A nice outlook. So this is quite a private outlook for the master bedroom. And then we go through with a walk-through robe with a his and hers. That's the her side, is slightly bigger. And then into the ensuite. So dual chrome towel rail, the toilet, a wall-mounted mirror, lovely vanity, but the key thing here is you do have a lovely double-sized shower. Coming back outside, I'm going to show you the yard because this is a really nice sized property. Lovely entertaining area with an external GPO and ceiling fans, just making it exceptionally comfortable in the summertime. Nice level yard, low maintenance, easy side access. Lovely landscaping to break up the back. And then again, coming around to a spacious side yard. So this is really, really private and perfect for the kids to play in. Thanks for the walkthrough with me today at 11 Carnaby Way. My name is Lou Brasher from Real Estate HQ. I look forward to seeing you at the next inspection, or if you wish to apply directly, feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.